Good morning, guys. I have a few things to do today, and I want to bring you along with me. We're gonna pinch the dahlias that I grew from seeds, and I'm gonna try to see if I could propagate the cuttings. I haven't done that part, but it doesn't hurt to try, right? We're gonna put it in one of those small containers, and let's see how that goes. What else that I needed to do today? We might repot the lemongrass, and I think that's all I have to do today. Let's just get started. These are the dahlias, and this little thing that looks like rose is cinnamon. I put cinnamons uh, in the soil because I was told that I help with the fungus gnats. So I'm trying it. But as you can see, some of the plants are not that big, and I think it's because they're being overshadowed by the tall ones. So we might also repot some of them. Let's just uh, let me bring you down and then we work. Well, I hope you can see this. Um, Let me get the pots. I have these ones. I have a smaller one as well. Yeah, maybe this. Let me put my gloves, guys, because for some reason, some of the soil I was using is giving me allergic reaction, and I'm not 100% sure which one was it. So I am trying to do better now. Should have been using my gloves, but I don't know why you get so comfortable doing things and then you forget about taking care of yourself. And that happens as soon as I started using the Miracle Grow. So I don't want to blame that soil, but I'm almost certain that that's the one that is giving me the reaction. Before that, I was using a different brand, and nothing happened. I was using the Spoma, and I was using the Coast of Maine, and nothing happened with those. As soon as I started 2 weeks ago with the Miracle Grow, uh, the reaction in my skin started showing, and it was very itchy in my arms. So I'm gonna take one out of the big ones, and I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do so you could see it up close. So this is the roots. This is very healthy roots. So over here, I am gonna cut. You see where there's more sprouting right there? So I'm gonna cut right there in between that, above that. I'm gonna cut right there above that, and then I'm gonna try to propagate the top. Let me show you if I could. Oh, with one hand it's really little, but I'm gonna try. So I'll show you right now. I am so sorry, guys. I should have a better setup, but this is how I work. So this is how it was. So you see those little ones that are coming out. Those are gonna become two leaves as well, and I'm just gonna put them in here. Make sure that they are that they don't have a air pocket, and then over here I am gonna take out these leaves. I'm gonna cut these leaves, and then I'm gonna propagate it in one of the, I'm gonna use one of these. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put in there and making sure that it touches the soil and doesn't have air pocket. Let's get another one. Mm, okay, so this one is bigger. So you can see I am gonna cut it here above these two set of leaves, and then I'm gonna use the top to propagate. So what I'm doing is I'm gonna put this one in. And again, I don't know if the propagation part of it is gonna work, but I am gonna give it a try. And this, we just make sure that we don't have air pockets. Since I broke one of the leaves, I'm just gonna cut it. Okay, so that one is done. This is done. And in here, I have two of the little, the tops that I took out. I hope you um, are getting the idea. I hope I'm explaining correctly. So that's the, it's gonna give some room. Like I'm taking a few in between out to give the other ones a better chance to grow. I think I'm gonna need more containers and soil. I don't know if you remember, they were very small last week when I separated them, and now look how they look. Very robust and nice. Um, I could leave the rest in here. I think I'm gonna take one more out, and that's it. Okay. I only pinch two. I think I could pinch a little more, but I'm gonna let it go because I'm disturbing them. And maybe next week we could do that, the rest. So for now, I'm gonna let it be. I'm gonna let these ones grow a little more. Let me put them back where they were under the light. The lemongrass was seeded on January 10th, and this is how it's looking. I think I could repot this. I could even separate them, but I'm gonna repot them in this bigger container. And you can see the roots in there. I'm gonna put some in each corner to see if the container fills in. And then over here. And the only reason why I'm doing this is because I want the little seedlings to have more room to grow, the root to expand a little more, so I could keep separating them. So, okay, now I'll put my lemongrass sign in this, even though I don't have any more grass. I could be confused with that one growing. But you never know, right? You never know when you're gonna forget what you have planted. Let me touch this. Okay, so we are done with the lemongrass and we are done with um, the dahlias. Let me show you how my cilantro is doing right now. Look at that. And it was planted on February 4th. Today is the 20th. Looking beautiful. Very nice. What else do I have to show you? My lettuce mixed seeds also are growing nicely. Very, very nice. I think that's all I have for now. Oh, I said that I was going to show you the basil. So this is the basil. Let's see. Again, I put cinnamon all over everything I planted because I don't want fungus gnats larvae in the soil. So this is how they look at the moment. This one are bigger. Okay, so look at this one. Even though it's growing really nice and round, but if you just take the little top one, like two leaves meet, and then you just like pinch it with your, oh my god, smells so good. With your nails, that's it, and then that will branch and make the plant wider. But oh my god, I am in love with the smell. Um, this is all I have for you today. We did some propagation, we did some um, repotting, pinching plants, and I show you the progress of how the dahlias are doing, my basils, cilantros, and the lemongrass. I hope you like the video. I hope you come back to see me, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.